Hello everyone, welcome back to Steam Code and welcome back to another episode of our diescord.js tutorial series. And in this video we will be going over checking permissions with diescord.js. So what are permissions? Permissions are what define what a user is able to do. And so let's hop into message create.js and let's check permissions based on a message that the user sent. So I'm not going to define a specific message, but you can define a specific message and add a command that goes along with it. But I'm just going to say here, I'm just going to check right here if the user has the specific permissions that we're checking for. So first we need the constant permissions, and that is equal to require diescord.js. And then now we can say here, if message.member.permissions.has, and then permissions.flags.kick_members. This is just an example. You can check for any of the permissions that exist. Then let's just log to the console. This member has the ability to kick. Alright, so let's save this and let's run it. So node.index.js. Alright. Now let's just send a test message. Test. And as you can see right here in the console, it states this member has the ability to kick because I do have the ability to kick in this server. And keep in mind, this is our Steam Code community server. So make sure you check it out. The invite link will be posted or is posted in the description down below. So check it out. We have suggestions. We have giveaways. We have a bunch of things. You can hang out here. You can chat with me and other members of the Steam Code community. So let's get on with the video. So now you can also check for multiple permissions as well. So if you check for multiple permissions within the same method, then it'll only return true. The function will only return true if all of those conditions are met. So you can just copy and paste this. So if it has the permission to kick members and it also has the permission, let's say, to ban members. Let's say this member has the ability to kick and ban. Just now let's save and let's run this again. Alright, let's send another message. Test number 2. Let's just say test 2. And it's giving an error. I put permission instead of permissions. Let's try that again. And as you can see, it now says this member has the ability to kick and this member has the ability to kick and to ban. So now, let's go over one more thing. You can also test whether the user has the ability to overwrite an administrator. And what that means is they'd be able to, for example, kick a member and the administrator cannot overwrite that decision. So if message, let's actually copy this. And let's have the second condition be false. Now let's change the message to this member has the ability to kick without allowing admin to override. Let's try this again. send another test message. And as you can see, this member has the ability to kick without allowing admin to override. So just again, remember, the override just means that the user has this permission, and administrators of this server cannot override that decision. And so this has just been a simple overview how you can check to see whether members within your community have certain permissions based on the messages that they send or based on / commands. And you can implement this in the many / commands that we've created already, or the many event handlers that we've already created. And so if you guys have enjoyed, if you have any questions, leave a comment down below. If you've enjoyed, leave a like, subscribe. Check out our Discord, check out our GitHub, check out our Patreon, and I will see you guys in the next one. This has been Steam Code. Goodbye.